In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete quick steps in Microsoft Outlook. Quick steps are those handy one-click shortcuts in Outlook that bundle multiple actions together, like moving messages to a folder and marking them as read at the same time. They can save a lot of time, but over the months they can pile up, become outdated, or simply clutter your toolbar. If your list feels messy, or you're no longer using certain shortcuts, deleting them is a quick way to clean things up. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and I'll add a few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Outlook. Make sure you're in your Mail view so you can see the Home tab at the top. The Home tab is where most everyday email tools live, including quick steps. If you're using a simplified ribbon, that's fine. The controls we need will still be available in the same general area. On the Home tab, look for the Quick Steps group. You'll see some of your shortcuts displayed there. In the bottom right corner of that group, there's a small diagonal arrow. That's the Manage Quick Steps button. Click it to open the management window where you can see every quick step you've created or that's available to you. In the Manage Quick Steps window, you'll find a list of your quick steps along with brief descriptions. Take a moment to confirm the one you truly want to remove. Deleting a quick step will not delete any emails, rules, or folders. It simply removes that shortcut from the list and from your toolbar. However, there's no dedicated undo button for this action, so if it's a complex quick step, you may want to note its settings before you proceed, so you can recreate it later if needed. Once you've selected the quick step you want to delete, click the Delete button.